Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to 10x your productivity. Each and every day that you are given is a gift, and with that gift, you have to do the most with it you possibly can. Most of us find ourselves using up time with tasks that are just busy but don't get us towards where we want to be. So in this video, we're going to talk about 3 things you can do to 10x your productivity. I know it sounds real simple, but step 1, at the beginning of your day, write down your primary mission for that day. Everybody has 100 different things to do every day, but there's one thing that you really want to be moving towards. Either it's one overarching goal that you want to be moving towards, or you have one primary mission. This thing I must get done today. So write that one thing down. That one thing, write it down. Step 2, you do need to make yourself a checklist, a to-do list. It sounds hokey. It's something that we all were told to do growing up, and most of us never got around to doing it. Make yourself a checklist. When you make yourself a checklist, as you start writing those things down, that checklist seems to grow and grow and grow until it's completely unmanageable, and that's okay. Write down that checklist so that you think through all of the things you need to get done today, and then do the top 3. You have your primary mission, you have 3 secondary missions, do the top 3. What happens is somebody makes a long checklist and then they start doing the things that either aren't as important or aren't as unpleasant or will take the least amount of time because then they feel like they checked a bunch of things off the list. And we'll be all honest with each other. It feels good to check a bunch of things off the list. You look down at the list, oh, I got 8 things done today. What's the problem? Those are 8 things that didn't really matter. Write down your checklist and then do the top 3. The most important, the most unpleasant, the things that matter the most to you, get those 3 things done. Your primary mission, top 3 on the checklist. Now, step number 3. What's the third thing that you can do to 10x your productivity? Put your phone down. Get rid of it. Put it to the side. Stop looking at it. Stop checking it. I'm guilty of it. You're guilty of it. They're guilty of it. They're guilty of it. We are all guilty of it, and we all need to stop. Most people don't even work while they're at work working because they're always checking their phone. Unless you're using your phone to make money in that moment, then don't be looking at it. That phone is a time suck. It is absolutely draining your life. It is a life vampire. It's an excellent tool for making money, for marketing a business, for managing a business, for communicating with loved ones, for having in case of an emergency, and even just for having fun and playing games. But the time for games is the time for games. Using it in emergency is an emergency. Facts are facts. Most of the time you don't need that phone, you just want the phone. Shut it down, put it to the side, use it when you need it. The rest of the time, spend that time chasing what you're really after. Guys, this is Dave the Barbarian with the Small Business Superheroes Podcast. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Subscribe with notifications. We do lots of videos with great information about how you can improve your life and how you can improve your business. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.